This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable a dark theme in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I am on my desktop now. As you can see, I have a light theme. To enable a dark theme on Windows 11, what you want to do is go down to your Start icon down here, and you want to right click on it, and then you want to go to Settings. Then you want to go in the pane off to the left here, you want to go to Personalization. And then you will go to Themes. And this first one here, if I hover my mouse over it, it says Windows Light. That's what I actually have right now. The next one is Windows Dark. Gives you a few options with dark modes, and you can always browse themes to find more, but this is the actual dark theme right here. I'm going to click on it. Now I have shifted to dark theme. That is how you enable dark theme on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.